So welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 7062 Mewall Drive, which is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house here in San Carlos, 92119. The 92119 zip code currently has a median house price of $955,000 for single-family detached homes, and a median price per square foot of $514. At 2133 square feet, this Mewall Drive house has a price tag of $1,100,000, which equates to about $516 per square foot. That gives you a completely remodeled house for the price of an average neighborhood home, which is an awesome deal here in San Carlos. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so you can see just how it flows, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But before we get into it, if you want to keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market, then just make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hey guys, my name's Jesse Morrison, and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by many client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. If you would like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process over the coming months, just make sure you visit the link in the description below and apply now. So I'm going to go ahead and read to you the property description and the featured highlights that the listing agent wrote about 7062 Mewall Drive. They said this: "Welcome home to this recently renovated San Carlos beauty. This 5-bedroom includes a full bedroom and bathroom downstairs. The huge kitchen has quartz counters and beautiful backsplash, and boasts a peninsula that opens to the living room. There's a fireplace for those chilly winter nights, as well as a brand new furnace and AC units. The master bedroom is oversized and includes dual sink vanity and walk-in closet. There are dual pane windows throughout and a fully owned solar system. Enjoy the great views of Cowles Mountain. Fantastic location close to shopping and freeway access." Okay, so another thing I wanted to note is that this house is in the Gage Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into Pershing Middle and Patrick Henry High School. If you have any questions about this particular house or any other home here in San Carlos or throughout San Diego as a whole, just make sure you go to the Get Protection step number 1 in the description below and follow the easy prompts to apply now. Also, stay tuned to the end of this home tour for my final remarks and your next best steps. Okay, thank you so much for touring 7062 Mewall Drive with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from this information, please just make sure to share this video using the share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. If you'd like to protect your family and your finances through this home sale process over the coming months, just visit the link in the description below and apply now. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out the next 2 videos that should appear on your screen now, because those are the videos that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. Thanks so much, and I look forward to helping.